Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome to the session, Mrs. Simriti Sarup. I was thinking to myself that I have, already had session with you, but I couldn't get the face. Like I was not unable to recall it. But I was pretty much sure that I have had a session with this learner already. So welcome to the session. And how are you feeling this morning?
Yeah, I'm really very excited because I really wanted to join you again.
Mm-hmm.
That day, that some glitches were there,
Yes,
so we
yes, yes.
lost our lost of time.
Yeah. You were not able to join session on time because of internet or some device issue,
Yes,
right?
yes, that was the reason.
Great. So where are you sitting right now? Are you at your home or somewhere else?
Yeah, I'm at my home only.
Okay. So ma'am, are you a working professional or a homemaker?
I'm homemaker. In addition, I have created my two YouTube channels.
Okay, wonderful. So what kind of content do you upload on your YouTube channel?
My first channel's name is Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga Meditation channel. So
Okay.
I upload Sahaj Yoga meditation related videos there.
Okay.
As we are practitioners of Sahaj Yoga meditation and we have been practicing since 2003
Oh, great, amazing.
and benefited tremendously. So I wanted to share
Mm-hmm.
my family's and my experience. So that's
Okay.
why I have created that channel. And
Mm-hmm.
my second channel's name is Pure Knowledge for English Beginners.
Oh, great. So do you upload your videos on that channel very frequently?
Yeah, very
And
frequently.
what is the name of that channel so that I can also subscribe to the channel and I can also watch some of your videos?
Yeah, please. I have uploaded R also there, R session also there. So
Oh,
please
really? I haven't watched
visit.
it.
Yeah, please jot down, otherwise you will forget.
Yes, I will. Come on, tell me the name of the channel.
Pure Knowledge for English Beginners.
Okay, thank you. I'm definitely going to check it and I will also see what kind of videos you, because it feels so great, when you watch others speaking and learning this language. That is
Yes.
how we'll grow and that's how we can uplift each other when it comes to helping and giving a helping hand each other, hand holding, scaffolding, lot of things go into it. Okay,
I
so
have uploaded one shorts also, and
okay.
we found lots of views, more than 375 views. So
Oh,
please
that's
visit that also, and
that's
please write down other channels name also if
okay.
uh,
Yeah.
you
I
want
will, I will
to.
definitely try to. Yeah, what's the name of your other channel? Yoga
Nirmal Vidya,
one.
Nirmal Vidya, Nirmal Vidya, Sahaj Yoga,
Sahaj Yoga. Okay.
meditation
Oh,
channel.
okay. Definitely. I'm going to check it out.
Yes.
Fine. So this is our second session together. I'm very excited for this session because the topic is very exciting, right?
Yeah.
So do you know what we'll be discussing today in this session?
Yeah, I'm wedding. On the topic is just wedding, I think.
Yeah, it's Indian
Yeah.
weddings. We
Yes.
all know that India is known for its diversity, people from different religions, cultural
Yeah.
backgrounds, social backgrounds,
Mm-hmm.
and language backgrounds live here in India, right?
Yes.
It's very diverse in its nature. So that's why weddings are performed differently in different regions of India. We all know that, right?
Yes.
So I would want to know how are weddings performed in your region? How do weddings look like in your region?
Just like all Hindu weddings, all the rituals are the same. Generally, in the Hindu ritual, like varmalas, and
Mm-hmm.
before wedding, haldi ceremony, mehendi ceremony, and then varmala, and after that feras, and during feras, stealing of shoes of groom.
Yes, we do
Yeah.
have some funny rituals as well.
Yes.
Think of groom shows. Yes.
And in the end, that most emotional part, that when we bid farewell to the bride. So
Yes.
before 21st January only, my daughter got married.
Oh, this year.
this year only.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why
So
I
how was that feeling when you know when you married off your daughter? How was it?
it was a mix of the feeling. We were very happy, elated, and really overjoyed. But sometimes uh, we feel a little
Mm.
this our daughter will remain with us. I
Yeah, there is something which we call as big fat Indian weddings, right? So there
yes.
are big fat Indian weddings. So what do you understand by this? Why do we call Indian weddings as big fat Indian weddings?
This phrase especially describe that our weddings, our Indian wedding, are very lavish, extravagant, and grand wedding. So
Yes.
that's why we generally, and I think we are only Indians only expense almost from all over the world. Very much we spend in
Mm-hmm.
our weddings. So that's why uh,
Mm-hmm.
this phrase is.
Yeah. Yeah. If we talk about Punjabi weddings are very popular, very famous for their extra expenditure, right?
Yeah,
So there a lot of money goes into it, right? But do you think that we weddings should be simple? They should not be so lavish or so extravagant. It is seen that parents save money for the rest of their like whatever they have earned for all of their life, they spend it on those 2 days, right? So do you think it is a sensible decision?
actually, it is just depend on the choice of bride and grooms,
Mm-hmm.
and if their parents can spend, so that is good. Otherwise, not. But that time also we should just choose, like these days a youngster want that
Destination.
destination wedding. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a very good idea, because in we are living in metros, and if we take a barat and all from one place to other place, so it we lose lots of time. So it's very nice idea that all bride and grooms stay in a destination. So it takes lots of time and
Mm-hmm.
hustles, and sometimes money also.
Mm-hmm.
We
Having a destination wedding can be a costly affair, right? It may cost an arm and a leg. It's very expensive. Not everybody can afford it, right?
Yeah, you are right, but we if both the means both parties, if both the sides just sit together and decide a reasonable space or place, then in our in my daughter's wedding also, we also did the same. But we sit together and decide a place that is not very expensive. It was economical, and we decided 6 months ago. So
Mm-hmm.
it was really not that much, was not that much expensive.
It didn't
uh,
make a it didn't make a hole in our pocket.
yes, yes, you are right. So,
Okay.
and another thing also, dress of a bride.
Hmm.
Sometimes this is also, I think so, a bride, this is once in a time affair and once in a time opportunity, so present herself in front of everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So we definitely we should buy a dress by
Mm-hmm.
her liking.
Mm-hmm.
And another thing, when we want to spend money over cards, so that much we
Mm-hmm.
must save money there. We should just make e-cards actually.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we save our money there. We just printed very little portion of cards, and
We can
that's
get.
why
Mhm.
that's how we save lots of areas. And we planned actually 7 8 months before,
Yeah,
and
it is to
then
be.
we did all the shopping very wisely, and
Mhm.
we have lots of time for that.
No,
So
yeah, it actually needs a lot of planning. Everything is to
yeah,
be planned well in advance, right?
you are
Yeah.
right.
So
Yeah,
otherwise, things
actually,
will go haywire, and you will not come to know what's going, what's happening, right?
yes,
So
you
everything is to be
can't do
planned in
so
advance.
in a hurried manner.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah,
Many
that is true.
people are middle class, we can say high middle class people. We can't afford a manager and wedding planner. We have to do all things by ourselves.
Our own selves,
So
yes.
we should have time if so we can
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
manage.
It has been observed that Indian weddings lead to the wastage of a lot of resources, whether it be food, whether it be they pollute. It leads to pollution as well. So, would you like to speak about it?
If we are asking about pollution, so sometimes during Bharat ceremony we just burst crackers. So, but these days I think we are not using this type of crackers. We are using green crackers.
Mm-hmm.
So we all are
Even then,
aware about.
even then, a lot of smoke is released into the environment, right?
Yes, you are right. So we
Mm-hmm.
have to save and we our environment, and we should uh, take our actions wisely.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true.
Mm.
And should we avoid the use of plastic items during our weddings? Whatever disposables do we have, we must. Can we do something about it? Do we have some alternatives for that?
Yeah, we can use cartons and tins, and we should avoid plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Really avoid plastic not only on wedding, everywhere in our
Yes.
household.
Otherwise, also, yeah.
Yes.
Mhm. Have you ever been a part of South Indian weddings? I've seen that they serve food on those big banana leaves, right? They sit on the floor and then they enjoy their feast or whatever meals they have on those banana leaves. I think we must all also incorporate such things in our weddings. What do you think?
Yeah, I really like their ideas. But in this side of wedding, east or which is north side, so
Mm-hmm.
because there are lots of guests, we
Mm-hmm.
can't manage to be let them sit and serve. It will take lots of time and expenses.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be really very tedious job. uh,
Mm-hmm.
for that we have to very close knit family, then only we can manage. And just because of that this buffet system started.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise it before my marriage, I think I have seen a Maharashtrian wedding, and it was really very mm, means so beautiful. They served food uh, like on pattals, and very delicious food. We enjoyed there, yes, a lot. Very
Okay.
scrumptious food. I
Okay.
I still remember.
Oh, that's amazing. That's
Yeah.
so good. Great. Yeah. Now that everything has changed, right? People want, like, law, like if we talk about the decorations, right?
Mhm.
Things were quite simple earlier, some years ago, but now things have altogether, they are different, right? People spend lot of money on decoration,
Yes.
right? So
Very.
intricately.
These days, what happens? Girls are also earning. Both
Mm-hmm.
are earning, so they are also taking part of expense. We have to think that think also in our time. Like I was just 21 years old, established, and
Mm-hmm.
I was so young. I was not able to do anything. I was not able to spend a penny. I
Mm-hmm.
have no idea about what is happening outside. I had no idea. I was totally dependent on my parents, and after marriage I was totally dependent on my husband. So that is also the reason. uh,
Mm-hmm.
and we actually that time and now completely changed.
Mm-hmm.
We also made our kids like this, took lots of time to teach them. Especially spend my whole time on raising my kids and teaching the values and everything. So they are completely different kids, and I was so young that time, so
Yeah.
I learned afterwards.
Yeah. Whatever you have said, I completely agree with it. But I think that weddings in India have become a matter of social prestige these days. If we
Yes.
see one family spending a lot of money on weddings, the other family also want to spend. It's a kind of rat race going on. They're always in a rat race. Fine,
Mm.
if they have spent a lot of money, we too can spend. We have to. Otherwise, what will people think, right?
You are
So,
right.
so what do you think about it? Should people be doing it? What do you think?
I don't think so. Everybody has to just check their wallet first, and
Mm-hmm.
then we should decide, and then we should just spend up
There
and
is
make
a
a budget
there,
and
there is
everything.
there is saying, cut your coat according to your cloth.
Yes, you are right. Last time also I learned this phrase from you.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
cut your coat according
good
to your cloth.
according to your cloth. Yeah,
Do not spend money beyond your means.
yes.
Yeah, that is something you have to keep in mind, right?
Money is not grown on trees.
Yeah, money
you
doesn't grow
this
on
also
trees.
you taught me.
What was the topic at that time? Can you remember?
Yeah, the topic was, now I just forget. I
It was
think,
related to
yeah,
money.
I recalled. The topic was miser, spendthrift, and frugal.
Yes.
Yeah,
It
the
was
topic
related
is
to
this.
money. Yeah, it was
Yes,
related to money. That's why we discussed all these idioms in that.
yes.
Okay, now we'll discuss a few more idioms in this session, right? So,
Sure.
yeah, there is a phrase, if we go overboard, going overboard, or go overboard, what does it mean? Do you have any idea about it? Can you guess
When
what?
when we spend beyond our means. So
Very good. So it
yeah,
means doing something excessively,
yes,
going overboard. So Indians have a habit of going overboard with their weddings, right?
yes, yeah, you are right.
hmm Going overboard with expenses. Going overboard with expenses is not a good thing at all,
No,
right?
not at all.
Going overboard with something.
Yes.
Okay. Then there is one more idiom, or it's an idiom. Walking down the aisle. What down the aisle?
Walking down
Walking down the aisle. AISLE. But the pronunciation is aisle.
aisle. AISLE.
Yes.
Walking down the aisle.
It means giving special treatment to someone. Yeah.
Mhm,
Okay. For
mhm,
example,
mhm.
the father of the bride helped her to walk down the aisle. Yeah, so you must have seen that red carpet.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
used on the
yeah.
day of wedding. So
Mhm,
that here that sometimes the path is also called as aisle. Have
mhm.
you must have noticed when we sit in an airplane, there is an aisle seat, window seat, middle seat, and aisle seat.
Yes, yes, yes. I know. And
Yeah,
I just recalled that it was written in our course also
yeah,
session.
yeah.
Yeah,
So aisle
when we
refers to
were
that path.
taking bride towards her altar, so that time we use this.
Yeah. Altar means the stage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that
The mother,
time
the
we use.
mother of the groom helped him to walk down the aisle
Mhm.
up to the altar, right?
Yes,
Altar is the stage. Yeah,
yes, yes.
right. So aisle means the path. It can be the path, right? Walking down the aisle means giving someone a special treatment on the special day. Yeah. So this is something that I wanted to share with you, right? So would you like to summarize what did we learn in this session and what did we talk about?
First of all, we learned that first one, big fat wedding, big fat
Hmm.
Indian wedding, and secondly, we learned that
Yeah.
walking down the aisle. Yeah, we learned that also.
Going overboard with someone,
Yes,
something.
going overboard.
Yeah, going overboard, right? That means to do something excessively. I think you're going overboard with your emotions.
Yes.
Okay, please control your emotions.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Great.
Mhm.
Wonderful. So, Miss Sumriti Swarup, it was a nice session with you. I love the smile on your face. You're always smiling and full of positivity. right? That is one more compliment that I would like to give you, right? And throughout the session, you are very confident and very enthusiastic and very keen to learn, right?
Thank
That is
you.
something which I really liked. And you're very keen to learn new things, new words, new phrases. I think that is the quality that you must, have, that you must have that quench to gain more and more knowledge, right? Yeah, I would say that, yeah, you are trying to speak with clarity. That is one more thing that I observed. And yeah, we'll have to make it more clear, and we'll have to take it to next level now. Now that your foundation is strong, there are no serious grammatical errors. So we'll have to work on other things: fluency, vocabulary, and clarity, right? This is something which we can work on. So you must constantly work to learn advanced English, vocabulary, and advanced expressions, I can say, right?
Sure.
So,
Sure.
so apart from these sessions, you said that you have your own YouTube channel. So, do you interact with people, other people on your YouTube channel? Are you having live sessions?
No, not. I have not started yet because
Okay,
I have just started 2 months ago only.
okay, okay. But
Yeah.
I'm
So
sure
I
that
am.
you may have sessions with people, right? With
Yeah,
homemakers.
afterwards when I feel like I can handle all of
Okay.
them. I should take. I should give time myself. I should
Yeah.
learn.
Do not
Uh,
rush. Do
yeah.
not rush. When you feel that you're confident to handle, right,
Yes.
all of this, then only you can proceed with that. But so far, just focus on your growth and on your progress, right? You are in a progressive, I would say, phase now. Okay.
Yes.
So you will have to go to the next level, then to other another level. So this is how it will happen, right? Thank you so much for having a session, and hope you enjoyed the session.
Yeah, I really enjoyed a lot. I always enjoy with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.
Likewise. Bye.
Bye.